Just a few years ago, I was slaving away at a 9-to-5 job in America, and every day felt the same. I was just waking up to an alarm, working in front of a computer all day, enduring traffic, and every single day I'd do the exact same, and I just felt like I was missing out on life. And the city I was in, it was just becoming extremely expensive, overridden with crime, and everybody was super on edge, and everybody had this political angst, and I just felt like I had to leave, and I was just ready for a huge change. Now I know what you're thinking. The thought of just packing everything up and leaving is pretty scary, to be honest. You might be thinking, how would I even get the right visas, or where would I even stay? How do I even quit my job and actually make enough money to support this new lifestyle abroad? And how do I adjust to a completely new culture all alone with not knowing anybody? Believe me, I had all those same worries as well, just selling everything and packing all of my lifestyle into just 2 bags and traveling across the world. It's pretty scary. Not a lot of people do this, and it seemed to me quite impossible and very, very risky. But I knew I had to make a change, so after years of hard work and trial and error, I successfully figured it all out. It's been 3 years since I've relocated all the way out here to Bangkok, Thailand, and absolutely living my dream life here. After 3 years of living here, I now make a 6-figure salary completely remotely. I have a huge network of meaningful relationships here in Thailand, and I'm able to travel whenever and wherever I want. I'm also able to speak Thai, and I live in a country with everything I ever wanted. Low cost of living, beautiful nature, respectful culture, and the nicest people, and ultimately attaining peace in my life, something that I never had before. My life has changed dramatically since leaving the West, and I'm here to share with you exactly how you can do the same in just 3 months. You see, I had to start completely from scratch. I didn't know anybody here. I had no community, no friends, no knowledge of the language, no idea about the visas, no money, no job, or no online income streams. I had to start literally from zero. So if you want to make a big change in your life and dream of escaping to a place like Thailand, then this is your chance. In just 3 months, I'm going to walk you through every step of making that big move, from getting your visas ready to making a living online here in Thailand. Now let's be honest, the main reason most people fail at trying to do this is because they try to do it all by themselves. And you know, I've been there, struggling with the visa paperwork, trying to find a safe place to live, and working hard to earn my first dollar online. That's why I've created the exclusive Thailand Insiders Club to make your move to paradise easy from the very start. As soon as you join, you'll be matched with a group of people who have already done what you're trying to do and be given every single resource that you'll need. So you won't have to fight to figure out everything on your own, because we'll take care of everything for you. No matter where you're starting from, I can help you achieve this amazing transformation. Just look how I helped Danny. Danny here, he was stuck in a job at a 9-to-5 job he hated in New York City before joining my mentorship. And within 30 days of signing up, I showed him how to start making money with Airbnb arbitrage. And he's now successfully making a full-time income remotely all the way out here in Thailand. So here's everything you're gonna get inside of the Thailand Insiders Club. You're going to get a complete step-by-step guide on how to leave your country and move here. You're going to get private access to my visa agents, so that way you can stay here stress-free for a very long time. You're also going to get access to my housing agents, so you can find the best deals at the best prices. You'll also be invited to local meetups with me and a bunch of like-minded other travelers in my network, so that way you're not traveling and experiencing Thailand alone. And I'm also going to be showing you how to make amazing relationships here in Thailand, whether you're looking for something very serious or whether you're looking for strong connections here in Thailand. We'll also be discussing finances and budgeting, and I'll teach you exactly how I built my 6-figure online income so you can live here comfortably here in Thailand. And trust me, 6 figures goes by a lot here in Thailand. So here's a full breakdown of what to expect when it comes to replacing your 9-to-5. With my Airbnb mentorship, I'm going to give you my entire system for setting up and managing Airbnb properties here in Thailand and elsewhere, and how you can actually run them without your actual physical presence, so it's extremely passive. And you're going to see behind the scenes on how I run 15 Airbnbs here in Thailand. With my content creation mentorship, I'm going to show you behind the scenes on how I grew my social media following to 200,000 followers in just 1 year, and how I make a full-time income from making content I absolutely love. And lastly, if you don't want to be an entrepreneur, I'm going to show you how to find lucrative online job and remote work opportunities so you can say goodbye to your office cubicle and literally work from anywhere. And throughout this entire journey, you're going to be able to speak with me directly through weekly group coaching calls, so you can ask me any questions you have along the way. You know, these other experts and gurus, they literally charge thousands of dollars for this level of access to mentorship and for these high quality networks. But I know most people, especially beginners, aren't comfortable risking that level of money for something they're not even sure if it's going to work out. That's why I've made this special membership truly affordable at just $49 a month. And because I want to give every single member who joins my personal individual attention, I can only let a small group of people join this week before I have to ultimately close it. The thousands of people who have already been asking to join will have to wait until next time. So if you've made it this far, something inside of you is probably telling you you want more out of life. Don't let the spark inside of you die just because of fear, and trust me, this transformation is worth it. So I'll be waiting on the other side to welcome you to your new life abroad here in Thailand. Click the link below now to grab your spot and say goodbye to your old life. I can't wait to greet you inside of the club. See you soon.